In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix redirect error in Google Search Console for Blogger. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to blogger.com. This action brings you to the Blogger dashboard, which serves as the central hub for managing your blog. Once the Blogger homepage has loaded, locate the settings section. The settings area is where you can adjust various aspects of your blog, including those that affect how your site communicates with search engines like Google. After you have accessed the settings menu, focus on finding the section labeled Errors and Redirects. This portion of your settings is specifically designed to help you manage issues with broken links and redirection errors that may impact your site's ranking and user experience. Inside the Errors and Redirects section, you'll notice a subsection for custom redirects. Custom redirects are powerful tools that not only improve your website's usability, but also inform search engines of permanent changes, thereby ensuring that your site remains optimized. Once you have navigated to the custom redirects area, locate and click on the Add button. This is where your journey to fixing the redirect error begins. When you click Add, a form will appear with two clearly labeled fields, one for the old or broken URL and a second field for the new working URL. In the field labeled From, carefully input the old URL that is currently causing the redirect issue. It is important that you enter this URL exactly as it appears, including any necessary punctuation or suffixes to ensure the redirect rule applies to the correct broken link. Moving on to the second field labeled To, you will enter the correct and functioning URL that you want your visitors to be taken to when they attempt to access the old URL. This new URL should be fully operational and lead to the page you intend to display. Accuracy is key in this step. Double check the spelling and format to prevent future issues. Before finalizing your settings, be sure to tick the permanent option. Selecting permanent signifies that this redirect is not a temporary fix, but rather a lasting solution. This choice is particularly important for search engines, as it provides them with clear instructions to update their indexes, ensuring that old links are replaced with your new URL over time. After you have confidently entered the correct information in both the From and To fields, and have selected the permanent option, proceed by clicking the Save button. Saving your changes will secure the new redirect rule in your Blogger settings. It acts as a checkpoint, letting you verify that all modifications have been correctly recorded. To conclude the process, click the Submit button to finalize your settings. Submitting your changes ensures that the new redirection is applied to your live site and communicated to Google Search Console. This final step confirms that the broken URL issue is resolved, thereby improving the user experience for your visitors and maintaining your blog's search engine visibility. By following these detailed instructions, you can quickly rectify the redirect error on your Blogger website. This streamlined process not only enhances your site's functionality, but also contributes to better overall SEO performance. Enjoy the benefits of a smoothly running blog with this simple yet effective solution.